Hey guys, Anthony with the Rag Company, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Detail Factory long handle detailing brushes. Now these brushes right here are made for detailers by detailers, and that's going to be the biggest difference between these and all of the other brushes available on the market. Now these two brushes right here, right, you can obviously see there is some color differences and there is some bristle differences here at the end. Now the long handle version of this brush comes in an assortment of different colors that you'll be able to find here on the listing, but the biggest differences to detailers are what's at the end here, right? Color is one thing, but seeing these bristles is a completely different thing. So, boar's hair. This is a bleached boar's hair. There's also an unbleached boar's hair in its natural, natural color, right? Being kind of a black, darker brown color. And then this right here is going to be your synthetic, ultra soft bristle. Now the difference comes down to the use, right? So the boar's hair is going to be for tougher scrubbing jobs. I like this particularly for interiors that have a lot of built-up grime. Now you can use this on exteriors, especially around emblems, but this isn't something that I'd probably go hit and paint with a ton. It's soft enough and it will get softer with time. It's just one of those things to where interiors is where this really stands out. Now this brush right here, the ultra soft bristle, this is going to be designed for all exterior use. So if you're knocking out door jambs, emblems, and also even interiors on delicate surfaces, this is going to be what you want to use. I haven't had this scratch or mar any type of finish yet to this day, and I've been using these for several years, and this is by far one of my favorites. Now these brushes are extremely chemical resistant. Seriously, I mean that. There is a plastic mold here that is extremely strong, and you're not going to break it. Now the adhesive that they use is also extremely strong as well, right? We've had these brushes live in buckets for weeks on end and held up just fine. I don't recommend doing that, but it is something to show that they are very strong and will hold up. So all in all, these brushes are fantastic. These will last you years to come, I promise you that. And again, they come in multiple different colors as well as the two different types of bristles, right? Boar's hair and then ultra fine synthetics.